Orbital ATK, and we're here today volunteering with Rebuilding Together Twin Cities. We're doing this as a team, and we've been having a great time and getting something done for the homeowner.
Great chance for us to work together as a team and help a homeowner and give back to the community.
I did on occasion accidentally paint somebody for a couple of folks, and I purposely gave wrong measurements. It was actually quite fun.
Rebuild the deck and paint and do some flooring inside. Some of the other teams are in there. I'm enjoying it. It's a good team building exercise for us for the program that we're working.
You're basically helping your neighbors. I live in Minneapolis, so I feel that giving back to the community and my actual neighbors is one of the great things I'd like to do with this. Helping improve, obviously, Minneapolis as a whole and helping to bring us all together is one of the really good reasons I love, especially working with the Rebuilding Together.
It feels awesome. It feels good to be contributing and giving back to the communities.
I find it really rewarding. I mean, because you can see too what you're doing at the end of the day, and even if you're only doing a one day on a week project, you can still kind of see the transformation as you go, and then you get to see the end of the project too.
For sure that we actually can help folks keep them in their houses a lot longer.
So I like to volunteer because I meet new people. I've never met Michelle before today, but now we can connect and make new friends. But also the other thing that I think is great is we're helping somebody in the community. You know, I'm willing and capable, and it makes me feel good to be here to help him.
Definitely. Giving back to the community is, something I value.
It's good because it's a nice compressed timeline, and you got somebody who knows what they're doing, saying do this, do that, and you can just, a whole bunch of people can just go like crazy and get a lot done. It's efficient.
What you should do is run
good experience.
And the togetherness of our Wells Fargo volunteers, getting to spend time together.
It feels great. Like we did this by ourselves, so it's really empowering.
Powerful, accomplish, doing things you've never done, getting out of your comfort zone. It's wonderful.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, it feels really great to be doing that. Yeah, absolutely.
It's so good to be able to do something to help the community, to help. Right now our kind of world is in a state of flux, and bringing folks together regardless of background, race, class, gender, orientation. It's a very, very nice feeling for all of us to be able to do this.
They came on 2 different days with crews of volunteers. The first day when they did the main building of my new back steps, they worked all day in the rain. I mean, it rained nonstop all day long, and they were here all day long in the rain building my new steps for me. It's just made my life much easier, being able to just take my walker and go up the stairs versus pulling myself upstairs and pulling my walker through the window. And I was managing, but it was a struggle, and this is much easier for me.
What can I say? I'm speechless. Oh, this looks so well. It was wonderful just having the first part done, and then we waited for all this other stuff to come, and it's like, it's just all like the same ramp. I'm trying to be strong and not cry, but thank you for coming out and helping me so I can get in and out of my house so safe. It's a big blessing.